How's it going, everyone? I'm AC and welcome to another video. So today I'm in Talent Park, which is kind of funny because I have about as much talent as I have personality. Absolutely none. Let me know in the comments which picture is your favorite out of all of these, and if you do like what you see, make sure you subscribe. It does help me out a lot. Thanks and enjoy. I've got the 55 to 250 EFS lens for now. This is probably one of the best places for cityscapes, that's for sure. Probably not the best lens, but it's definitely one of the sharpest lenses you can get. Oh, straight out with a banger. It's going to be a nice sunset. Banger. I'll never get bored of taking pictures of that building. Double selfie. Every time I go out to take pictures for this video, I do the same thing. Take the picture of one building 200 times. So that's illegal. Another mini going up. So many drones everywhere. I wonder how that will edit. Alright, now I've got my little drone footage. Just take the Sigma back out. Need that extra stop of light. Go down. So this is the perfect time for city shooting, city shots. The lights look a bit patchy at the moment. Oh, fish. See if I can do a handheld panner. Doesn't work, so I'm too zoomed out. Too zoomed in. Oh no, they put some brighten lights on. It's so ugly when they do that. Look how ugly this building is now, I think. I like it just grey.
sunset looks so good. It's a shame they have to ruin these buildings with these writing. At least put like my YouTube channel on there. Just get it centered. Keep moving. Said it was going to be a bad sunset, and then it looks like this. Alpenglow is wrong. Looks like there's some sort of path here. That was definitely a man-made path, just for me. Probably should set up a tripod though. I'm gonna have to expose this right. This probably would look much better in landscape, to be honest. Probably because it is a landscape shot. I don't know if you can see it, I'm in a bit of an awkward position balancing on some rock. Let's try and get really fell. I'm definitely not the person that should be climbing into things. I just saw a fish. Bless you. I think I'm going to call it, unless I see another area that I like. Make sure you subscribe if you liked it. Drop a like on it. Comment. Do whatever. Oh.